Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a course that impressed you a lot. You should say what the course was about. Where did you take it? What did you do during the course? And explain why did it impress you a lot. Last year, I finished an online course on emotional intelligence through Coursera in partnership with the University of California, and it was one of the most stunning courses I have ever taken. The course's main objectives were to help us better understand our own feelings, manage stress, increase empathy, and improve our interpersonal and communication abilities. I was under a lot of pressure to perform well on competitive tests at the time, so I believed this training would help me develop not only academically but also emotionally and psychologically. Peer-reviewed assignments, interactive reflection journals, weekly quizzes, and video lectures were among the many activities that took place during the course. The real-world case studies that demonstrated the critical role emotional intelligence plays in leadership, professional achievement, and even interpersonal relationships were particularly interesting to me. Observing our emotional responses in challenging situations and writing about them was one of the most beneficial aspects. I became more conscious of my emotions and responses as a result of this self-reflection, and I gradually began handling situations more composedly. This course truly amazed me with its practicality and relevance. I learned life skills in this course that I could use right away to my everyday life, unlike some academic subjects that are only theoretical. I began to see improvements in my time management, conflict resolution, and even how I responded to criticism or comments. Even difficult subjects were easy to understand because of the instructor's engaging style and straightforward language. I was also greatly inspired and encouraged by the notion that emotional intelligence is something that can be developed. All things considered, this course altered my viewpoint on personal development. It not only improved my academic performance but also aided in my personal development. Everyone should attend such a course, in my opinion, especially professionals and students who frequently deal with pressure. I will always be thankful for the experience, which was genuinely eye-opening. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success. And if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.